Welcome friends, my name is Satyajeet Sahu and today we are going to have a very important discussion on what are your options if you have a very relatively medium or low score in GATE 2026 and suppose you were not able to score that high, but still there are options to do masters from many of the top IITs and NITs. So what are your options? We'll discuss that. Now, first of all, you have to understand that all the IITs and NITs, the top IITs and NITs, have various specializations in their masters. In the M.Tech, they have various specializations. Sometimes we think that there might be only 2-3 type of specializations, but in current times there are different type of specializations. There are different type of interdisciplinary specializations where multiple branches are involved, and therefore, if you are not able to score that high, but you have a medium score, then also you hold a good chance of getting admitted into the top IITs or NITs. So today we are going to see that what are your options. So we'll start with different IITs one by one and go to the NITs also, and we'll see the cut-off scores. So first of all, let us go to here. The first one is IIT Delhi, okay, and in IIT Delhi you can see that there are some of the specializations like rock engineering, material science, electric mobility, atmospheric oceanic science, material science and energy environment technologies, in which you can see the cutoff for 2024 and 25. Mostly they are below 500 score. They are the score mentioned over there. Most of them are below 500. Some are above 600 in 2025. Okay, but mostly they are below 500 score. So you can get these specializations if you have a score around 500 or less than that. You can get these specializations and you can fill this during the counseling for yourself, and these are the IIT Delhi ones. Let us go to the next one. Okay, the next college is IIT Kharagpur. In IIT Kharagpur, there are many specializations which you can get below 550 or even below 500. Some you can see are in the range of 400 also. Below 600 also you are getting many of the specializations like ME1, Mechanical 1, Mechanical 2, yes, and then Hydraulic and Water Resource Engineering for civil students, Power Engineering, Power and Energy Systems, Signal Processing for EE students, EC also we have RF and Microwave, Vision and Intelligence Systems, Aerospace Engineering. So there are so many branches, so many specializations which you can even get below the score of your 600. So there is nothing to be losing your heart if you have somehow not able to get that high score of 700 or 800, but still if you have got 600 or 500, you still hold a chance to get into the top colleges. Let us go to the next one, IIT Roorkee. In IIT Roorkee, these are the cutoff marks given actually. The cutoff marks given IIT Roorkee for chemical, geotech and computational material science. You can see at these marks you can get IIT Roorkee also. Next we will go to IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati, many of the scores in general or EWS or other OBC, SC, ST, everywhere you can see that if you are getting less than 600 also you will get your specialization or you can get your masters. In civil you can see the cutoff is 470 in IIT Guwahati, chemical you can see 365, mechanical 539. So they are well below 600, some are well below 500, and therefore you should not leave these options. Next we will go to IIT Patna. So many specializations are there and many of them you are getting below 300 also. So many you can see 222, 305, 277. Many are below 500, many are below 300 in civil, chemical, mechatronics, structural engineering, fluid engineering. So many of these specializations you are getting below 300, below 400 and below 500. So you should have a note of this and you should not be missing them. Next, let us go to IIT Mandi. So in that you can see you are getting in scores of 400 range, you are getting this specialization. Then IIT Bhubaneswar offers lot of interdisciplinary options, and therefore you can see that you are getting many things below the score of 500, and even you are getting in civil engineering, structural engineering, transportation, environment, you are getting below 500 score, you will be getting your IIT Bhubaneswar. And similar things for other branches like mechanical system design, thermal sciences, semiconductor and chip design, power electronics, power system engineering, signal processing, metallurgical and metal science, all of them, most of them actually, you can see some are below 400 and some are below 500. Okay. Let us go to the next college, that is IIT Dharwad in Karnataka. So in IIT Dharwad, mostly you can see below 450 also you are getting in electrical engineering some specialization, and mechanical engineering also are getting below 400. IIT Palakkad in Kerala. So here also you can see power electronics, geotech from civil, system on chip design, manufacturing, material science, all have a cutoff below 400. Okay, so you should not miss them. Next one is IIT Jodhpur in the beautiful state of Rajasthan. So here you can see that we have CME for energy. These are the interdisciplinary branches, and we have CES means environmental science for environmental engineering. So cutoffs you can see 389, 352 for bridge engineering, C74. So most of them are below 400, and you should not be missing these specializations if you have this score. Then IIT Ropar, here in thermal and fluid engineering, in manufacturing, mechanics and design, and computational mechanics, which is a very interesting subject. So here you can see that in the range of 400 or even 300 score, you will be able to get these specializations. Even if your score is not very high, like 5.600, then also you are getting this specialization. Then let us go to the next college. Okay. So in IIT Ropar also chemical also are getting good specialization. Then IIT Jammu, we have lot of options for you in IIT Jammu. You have tunnel engineering, structural engineering, which are getting in the range of less than 400 or 400. Then mechanical system design, VLSI, and then communication signal processing. All of them below 450 range, you are getting this specialization. Okay. Next, IIT Tirupati, in the holy city of Tirupati, you can see that you will be getting for civil engineers, you can get environmental, geotech, structural, transportation, all of them well below 450, yes, and some are even below 400. And for electronic students, microelectronics, RF, microwave, signal processing, most of them are below 400, some are below 500. And then thermal engineering, you will be getting below 400, and chemical also are getting below 400. So very good chance for you to avail these seats. IIT Bhilai also, we have bioengineering and electric vehicle technology, very interesting subject, electronics and communication engineering, mechatronics, power system, thermal fluid, all of them below 450, and some are below 400. So from this small exercise, you can see that even if you are getting a score less than 500 or even 400, you still, if you are interested in studies and you have a particular specialization in your mind, so you should not be missing that, and you should be pursuing that if you are interested in further studies. Okay, let us go to the next one, IIT Varanasi. So IIT Varanasi, we have civil engineering getting in range of 450, which is less than 500. Metallurgy, you're getting less than 400, you can see score. Chemical, you're getting less than 400. Biomedical, you're getting less than 450 or 500, we can say. So all of these specializations in IIT Varanasi, you can get below the score of your 500. Let us come to the NITs, and in top NITs, the top one is the NIT Tiruchirappalli or NIT Trichy in Tamil Nadu. So here we have these specializations: chemical, industrial safety, material science, which will be getting in the range of 450. Now understand that this NIT Trichy is having quality better than some IITs also. So therefore you can see the cutoffs have just shoot up compared to the new IITs. So if you are interested in doing a good research, so you should be joining NIT Trichy. It's a very good college. It's a very old college, beautiful campus. Okay. Next, we'll go to NIT Surathkal, another very old college and very good college for doing your masters. In that, you can see that most of the specializations like transportation, material science, environmental science and technology, chemical, power electronics, you're getting, some are getting below 500 and some are getting below 600. So you can see that the NIT Trichy and NIT Surathkal, Okay, they are having cutoffs more than the new IITs because they're the old colleges. They have very good infrastructure. They are very good professors, and a lot of research is happening over there. So if you are just interested in good studies, then my suggestion also will be that you should be joining NIT Surat and Trichy, and you should be giving it preference over many of the new IITs also. Okay. Next is NIT Warangal, another very successful NIT. So you can see the cutoffs have just increased from the new IITs. Yes. So, but still, it's not 600 or 700. Most of them are in the range of 500. Some are in the range of 400s. So even if you have a score of 500 400s, you can get all these beautiful specializations in NIT Warangal. Then you have to NIT Rourkela. Rourkela is in Odisha, and NIT Rourkela ranks in the top 20 engineering colleges in the country, and here you can see that you are getting many of the specialization in the range of 400 or 500, like construction technology, thermal, environmental, chemical, transportation, electronic systems, electronics and instrumentation. Many of the very good specializations you're getting in the range of 400 500 because it's a very good NIT. So you should be taking these seats if you don't have that 600 700, but still you want to have a particular specialization in mind. Suppose somebody is interested in doing in environmental engineering but is not getting a seat in the top IITs, but still they can do in Rourkela and you will be having your specialization. NIT Calicut. So in NIT Calicut also you can see all the ranges are in the 400 500 ranges for all the specialization. Okay. So if you want more updates, you want these PDFs also. Okay. So these are our, you can see, Telegram channels. So you can just I'll just come out to the screen, and what you can do is that you see for computer science, IT, for chemical, for civil, for mechanical, you can see EE, ECIN. We have separate Telegram groups. So you can join these Telegram groups for having, you know, more content about the different cutoffs or about the preparation. So you can always join these Telegram groups, or you can join the main Telegram groups of Get Wallah and Get Wallah English. Okay, if you join these Telegram groups, then what will happen? Then you will get further updates. Also, you'll get these PDFs. You can see all these PDFs which we discussed. You'll get all of this in these Telegram groups. Okay, so please join these Telegram groups. And as we saw that the whole I can say the intention of this session was to make you understand that even if you don't have that high score of 600 or 700, where you get a top IITs like IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur, Bombay, Kharagpur, yes, and top specializations, you might be missing them if you don't have that high score of 700 plus or 800 plus. But still, if you have a score of 500 or 400, which is not as high as 600, 700, but still you have a good chance that you might get a very good college in the old IITs or some new IITs in the old NITs. There is very good chance that you can get the specializations of your choice. So if you are interested in a particular specialization, so, and even if you are not getting a top IITs, there is a good chance that you will get the old NITs, which are very good, and some of the new IITs you will get. And in the old IITs, you might get some specialization which are interdisciplinary in nature, and they're also in demand. So what you should do is that you should be reading about the specialization, what are the things in the specialization, what is scope, what is the scope of research, and then also read about the professors in that particular college, and then you can take admission based on your score. So all the best for your admissions. Thank you very much.